Did you know that water can defy gravity? I promise you've never seen anything like this before. Hook. Welcome to another exciting episode of Scientific Facts, where we dive deep into the wonders of the natural world around us. Today, we're exploring the fascinating and counterintuitive properties of water that allow it to defy gravity. Sounds crazy, right? But water, the most common substance on our planet, holds secrets that will change the way you perceive it forever. Set up context. Picture this. You see a towering tree, its lush green leaves stretching towards the sky. Ever wondered how water travels from the roots to the topmost leaf, defying gravity all the way? It's not magic, but the incredible process of capillary action. Meet Dr. Sarah Lentz, a passionate botanist with a mission to unravel the mysteries of plant life. Since childhood, Sarah has been fascinated by nature and the unseeable forces that influence life on Earth. Her goal is simple but profound: to demonstrate how essential water is in sustaining life, especially in plants. Dr. Lentz takes us to her lab, where she conducts a simple yet revealing experiment. By placing a white flower in a glass of colored water, we witness the magical journey of water as it moves against gravity, up through the stem and into the petals. It's all thanks to capillary action, explains Sarah. In plants, water travels through tiny tubes called xylem. Her eyes shine with enthusiasm as she Googles about this process, an amalgamation of adhesion, cohesion, and the surface tension of water. But how does it work? Sarah elaborates. Capillary action starts when water molecules adhere to the sides of a tube, like the xylem in plants. The cohesion between the molecules pulls more water along with them. This chain reaction continues, and before you know it, water has defied gravity, traveling upward to hydrate the entire plant. To make it more relatable, Sarah guides us to imagine ourselves dribbling syrup into a straw, watching how the sticky liquid climbs upward. It's a visual our viewers can recreate with household items. This representation captivates the viewers, linking their ordinary experiences to the extraordinary capabilities of water. Beyond horticulture, capillary action is critical in various contexts, such as helping water move through soil, entering dry, porous materials like sponges, or even in nifty survival tools like water filters. Dr. Lentz shows us some large-scale, real-world applications, such as how scientists use capillary action in cutting-edge technologies. She shares examples of innovations in the medical field, particularly in microfluidics, where capillary action assists in controlling the movement of tiny amounts of liquids through small channels. Now meet Sam, a creative inventor eager to harness nature for DIY solutions. Living in a remote area, Sam's motivation is to create sustainable and low-cost technologies to support his off-the-grid lifestyle. His homemade capillary water filter is not just enlightening, it's empowering him and inspiring the community. Sam uses accessible materials to build a simple water filter, demonstrating it step by step, emphasizing its efficiency in utilizing the magic of capillary action to purify water. The filter, he explains, not only draws water upwards, but also traps impurities, ensuring a cleaner, safer drinking supply. Sam's journey shows just how transformative scientific knowledge can be in everyday life, and our viewers discover practical, applicable lessons without requiring expensive or complex technology. Throughout the episode, there's a palpable tension as we see the challenges both Sarah and Sam face. Sarah often struggles with the skepticism from the academic community, while Sam contends with the logistical challenges in resource-limited settings. However, their perseverance, driven by a fascination for science and a thirst for knowledge, eventually leads to astonishing breakthroughs. Ultimately, the secret life of water is revealed through the perseverance of our characters. Sarah's botanical revelations clarify the scientific mechanisms of water's remarkable journey, while Sam's practical approach showcases how these principles revolutionize everyday life. At the heart of their stories, the audience is left with a profound understanding that water isn't just a mundane, ubiquitous substance, but a marvel of nature, capable of amazing feats when its principles are understood and applied creatively. So, the next time you see water flowing upwards, remember the incredible journey it's undertaken, from the simplest home experiments to complex scientific innovations. This understanding not only enhances our appreciation of the natural world, but also empowers us to think differently about the resources we so often take for granted. Don't forget to subscribe to Scientific Facts for more awe-inspiring episodes that will transform the way you see everyday phenomena. As we conclude, remember, science isn't just for the labs or textbooks. It impacts the world around you. Embrace curiosity because you never know when you'll uncover a secret that's been right under your nose all along.